If you've seen people claiming they earn money simply by watching advertisements, you've probably come across WeAre8. The app promises to reward users for watching short ads while also supporting charities and positive social causes. But is WeAre8 actually legitimate, or is it too good to be true? In this review, we'll explain how WeAre8 works, how users earn money, its biggest advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get started. First, what is WeAre8? WeAre8 is a social media platform that rewards users for watching short advertisements from participating brands. Instead of showing ads without compensation like traditional social media platforms, WeAre8 shares a portion of the advertising revenue with its users. After watching an eligible advertisement, you may be asked to answer a simple question or confirm that you've viewed the content before receiving your reward. The app also includes a social feed where users can post content, interact with others, and discover campaigns from different brands. So, is WeAre8 legitimate? Yes. WeAre8 is a legitimate platform that has partnered with well-known companies and advertisers. Many users have successfully received payments for participating in advertising campaigns. However, there are some important things to understand before signing up. One of the biggest advantages is how simple the earning process is. You don't need special skills or previous experience. When ads are available for your account, you simply watch them and earn small rewards. The platform also promotes social impact by allowing part of the advertising revenue to support charities and community organizations, giving users the option to contribute while earning. Now let's talk about the downsides. The biggest limitation is that ad availability depends heavily on your country and advertiser demand. Some users receive new ads almost every day, while others may wait several days before new opportunities appear. Because of this, WeAre8 should not be viewed as a reliable full-time income source. The amount you earn from each advertisement is also relatively small. Most users treat it as a way to earn a little extra money during their free time, rather than replacing a regular job. What do real users think? Overall, reviews are generally positive. Many users enjoy the simple concept, appreciate that they're actually rewarded for watching advertisements, and report receiving successful payments. The most common complaints involve limited ad availability, regional restrictions, and lower earnings than some people initially expected. These issues are usually related to advertiser availability rather than problems with the platform itself. So, what's the final verdict? Is WeAre8 a scam? No. WeAre8 is a legitimate rewards platform that really does pay eligible users for watching advertisements. However, your earnings will depend largely on where you live and how many advertising campaigns are available in your region. If you're looking for an easy way to earn a little extra money while spending just a few minutes each day on your phone, WeAre8 can be worth trying. Just don't expect it to replace a full-time income. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you've tried WeAre8 and how much you've earned.